Okay, today we're actually going to be talking about outdoor lighting. A very common issue we see is what I'm going to show you right here. So I've got a path light right here, but check this out. If I just touch the connections, the light will go on and off. So you probably can realize that that means that this connection is bad. So some very, very important things to keep in mind when doing connections with outdoor lighting. They're going to be exposed to dust, animals, water, all that. You have to make sure that you use the right size wire connection, a wire splice. It must be watertight, so it needs to have this silicone filling on the inside. But one of the things I notice quite often too is because the larger ones are a little more expensive, they're actually pretty expensive. Oftentimes installers will use a smaller size wire nut. The problem is with this, what it does is it jams the wire in the nut, so it just jams it in. It doesn't actually allow the nut to bite onto the wire to hold it tight. So it does seem like it's okay, but any movement, which you'd be surprised how much wire would move in the ground just from roots putting pressure on it, or maybe someone else pulling on wire, it'll pull connections apart. So very, very important to size the wire nuts properly. Make sure they're watertight, and then give yourself enough room so that when the wire does move a little bit, it doesn't try to pull it out of the connection. So this one's pretty tight. I'm gonna have to cut it back and possibly resplice more wire in so that there's a little bit more room. So if you're having this problem with your outdoor lighting, make sure you use the right size wire nuts.